naked. I'm sorry, but
Strip me naked?
with questions. Don't get wrong ideas.
No, probably, I don't know. Okay.
Okay, let me start with. Do you want to ask me something before I start grilling you?
No, go on. I'll come to know. क्या करना है? Ask the same question what you asked me.
Okay, सबसे पहले तो लोगों को ये जानना है कि तुम्हारी इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से मिली है? हर एक्टिंग करने की इंस्पिरेशन.
Acting करने की inspiration, there was any inspiration as such, but my sister was an actor, and for some reason I come from a filmy family. My background is filmy, so because of that I have always been surrounded by people who talk about films all the time and everything. So घर का माहौल ऐसा था कि मुझे एक्टर ही बनना था.
And so by the way, guys, I have worked with Mishkat and I have worked with Mishkat's cousin brother also, Sid Makkar.
Oh. What has your inspiration been? Yeah, like to get into acting?
I don't know if you know, but I've studied law.
You told me.
Yeah, and so what happened is I was also parallelly singing. I was recording music and stuff. And one very, very eminent director saw me in the recording studio. और फिर मुझे role offer किया when I was some 16 years old. और फिर मेरे सारे पिक्चर सर्कुलेट हुए. मैंने साउथ मूवीज की, बॉलीवुड फिल्म की. My last film was My Nutstand, and I did some web series. It just happened, you know. छुट्टियों में.
Organically.
Yeah, I never planned this as my career. It just happened, and I liked the kind of appreciation and offers I got, and I'm like, wow, karna chahiye.
Awesome.
But you know what? The kind of recognition, love, appreciation, and everything I got in DD, इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा मिला है मुझे. सबसे ज़्यादा.
Yeah. Fab people to work with there.
Beautiful. Okay, so.
Some people are saying hi Bhavya. Bhavya is one of my co-actors. Aneri is telling me chomo lag raha hu. तेरा दूसरा chomo ही लगूंगा मैं.
Aneri, I second that.
वो खुद चोमू लग रही है आजकल, मुझे क्या बोलेगी?
वो बहुत प्यारी लगती है, तू चुप बैठ.
And my building neighbors as well, who say some shitty stuff all the time. Hi Vidhan.
You shouldn't have shaved. That's it. Period.
What?
You should not have shaved. Period.
It's okay, yaar. How bad can someone look? Like, it's okay to look bad sometimes, you know. चलता है.
हाँ ठीक है, बस वो वाली स्माइल मत देना.
कोशिश करूँगा.
Okay. मैं थोड़ा सा एक छोटा सा रैपिड फायर राउंड करती हूँ.
Okay.
What's the most interesting thing you read or seen this week?
I'm watching this show called How to Get Away with Murder, which has been pretty interesting so far. So yeah.
Oh, the messiest person you know.
Messiest? One of my closest friend called Nikunj, he's bloody messy. He stayed with me in my house for some time, and he's a pig. So yeah, he's quite messy, but I love him.
Guys, I have been to Mishkat's house once, and his house is like a hotel room.
Hotel room nahi.
Hotel nahi hai tera ghar. The way you have designed house, it is a hotel room. I want to know the idea behind that. Why would someone make it like a complete hotel room?
So it was a very mutual decision कि all three of us, mom, dad and me, like hotel rooms. So he wanted that feel, obviously exactly hotel room जैसा नहीं है, but he liked the feel of a hotel. And we tried achieving that. काफी हद तक कर पाए हैं. तो हाँ, I hope लोगों को घर अच्छा लगे कि बहुत ज़्यादा ही होटल टाइप ना लगे, पता नहीं. ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे calls आ जाए अभी. Can you give your house? Anyway, I'm seeing shit right now.
And on top of that, his mother cooks really well. Like a hotel room experience and good food. You have an amazing life.
No, it's not an amazing life at all. At present, it's not an amazing life, but otherwise, it's a pretty pampered life which I need. It's love, not... Yeah, it's actually too much love my parents have for me.
Yeah, that's why you're
I am not spoiled. You're far more spoiled than me.
How do you say that? What makes you say that?
सेट पे आधा घंटा लेट आती थी, तू भूल गई? वो स्पॉइल नहीं हुआ तो क्या हुआ?
कुत्ते, चुप है. Okay, fine. What would you like to be remembered about you from your fans?
Like to be remembered.
Hmm.
Anything, yeah, as long as I'm remembered. That's important. How I'm remembered is not important. I should just be remembered कि था कोई ऐसा आदमी.
Oh God, that is so undescriptive. So mean.
Yeah. I don't know what I would like to be remembered as long as I'm remembered. How are we going to remember us? Yeah, probably until we don't achieve something great, who will remember us?
Yeah, that's true. But DD is enough to make us memorable, you know?
So we can do a lot more, yeah. Come on, DD is not enough. और बहुत कुछ करते हैं.
Okay.
What about you? How do you want to be remembered, Naira? As Bebo?
Okay, what is with this Bebo thing? Everybody calls me Poo and Osana calls me Poo, you call me Bebo.
You're poo and poop also, both. Naira keeps talking about shit all the time. She's obsessed with shitting.
Oh my God, even you are. Shut up. Everybody
No,
is
no.
on our set.
She eats, oh my God. Naira can eat, I think, 10 times more than me.
Listen,
And she
even
runs
Sana's
around
like
saying-
that. Believe me, when Sana and me sit and eat now, we eat and we can gobble up a whole human being. Trust me when I tell you that. Like we can really.
You're blessed. इतना अभी भी खा रही है क्या इतना?
अभी थोड़ा सा खाने का इंटेक कम हो गया और मैं बहुत पतली हो गई हूँ.
पतली हो गई है?
I'm not liking it at all. बहुत पतली हो गई हूँ.
क्यों पतली हो गई है इतना? यार खाना क्यों नहीं खा रही?
खाना खाती हूँ, मसल लॉस हो गया है मेरा. दिव्य दृष्टि में इतना फाइटिंग करती थी पूरा टाइम, मेरा वेट ट्रेनिंग उधर ही हो जाता था. यहाँ पे घर बैठे बैठे आई बिकम वेरी स्किनी. I'm dying to gain some weight, some muscle, not fat. But yeah. क्या खा रहा है? Grapes.
अंगूर.
Okay, हमारे बीच में कभी झगड़ा हुआ है?
नहीं. झगड़ा हुआ है क्या?
I don't think so. But I'll deep the question. There are some funny questions and there are some really weird questions. So, okay. Will you ever be on a reality show?
Depends what kind of a reality show. If it's a dance-based reality show, then maybe yeah. But if it's something where I have to fight and all, I can't. Because I can't get it. Like I can't like scream and shout and abuse so much. But I'm not looking down upon people who do that. Great if they can do that. I can't do that. Because I'm not made like that. And even if I go to a... What?
You know something? When we were shooting for DD, I got offered for Big Boss, and there was a huge rumor all over Bombay that she is leaving Divya Drishti for Big Boss. The only reason I would not take up because of the screaming and shouting.
Because what?
Of the screaming and abusing and shouting.
Yeah, you would start crying.
I would start crying or I would get really violent. Like really
You
violent.
cry very easily, na?
People think I'm very
easy.
strong. I would like to keep that thought.
No, Naira Bichari not strong. She's very sensitive. Yeah. Bichari nahi hai, but yeah, she's very, very sensitive.
I am very sensitive and emotional, but I know how to not express that. Like, not show that easily. So yeah. Okay. Funniest scene of us. According to you, funniest scene of
So
us.
one of my producers is asking me, like I did a show with him, Siddharth Malhotra, if you know him, he's a very well-known producer. He's asking me, why is your house a hotel room?
Guys, let me clarify. It's just that it's very, very well designed and spacious. So it gives a feeling of hotel room. I'm just saving your ass.
Siddharth, I hope you got your answer. How are you? I miss you, man. What are you asking, Naira?
The most funniest scene we had, both of us, according to you.
Funniest scene we had. there were many funny moments off camera. Yeah, we should not laugh so much on while shooting. I feel because हम लोग एक दूसरे को देख के इतना हंसते नहीं थे.